Full circle, huh? Congratulations, you made it. A roller coaster it has been, obviously, for most of us. But we made it. We made it. I wish you all the best come 2025. May you fiercely fight for your peace. May you find the words to express your heart. May you be bolder in what you stand for, in what you believe. May you live, unapologetically, you know. You deserve to live. You deserve to stay alive. Whatever you do to stay alive, it's up to you. Nobody should make you feel bad about it, you know. Not even yourself. All the best. All the best, my people.